Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make these delicious peri peri chicken tascas. So in order to make this you'll need 425 grams of plain flour. You will also require 15 grams of sugar, as well as 7 grams of salt and dried yeast 7 grams. As well as 175 ml of lukewarm water and 60 ml of vegetable oil. You'll also need 50 grams of yogurt. And this is optional, but we've also used black sesame seeds. And we're using cheddar cheese as well as about 3 to 4 crisps, just to crush up and sprinkle on the bread. We're also going to require some butter. So firstly we'll just start by adding the water into a bowl. Once the water's been added, we're just going to add in the sugar. And then the yeast. And just give this a mix. And then we'll add in the yogurt. So just mix this all together now. Now that that's been mixed in, we're just going to add in the flour. So just sift in the flour now. Also the salt. And we'll just give this a little mix. So we're just going to add the oil now as well. So now you can knead the dough, and if you prefer you can use a mixer for this. So as you can see, the dough is coming along well now, so what we're doing is we're just going to fold it and begin to knead it again, just like that. And here our dough is completely ready. So we're just going to set this aside for about an hour. While that's been set aside, we're just going to start to prepare our chicken. So in order to make these, you're going to need 500 grams of chicken tenders. So we've got our chicken tenders here, as you can see. Require 1 teaspoon of peri peri rub. And you'll also need these ingredients on the screen, so oregano, black pepper, onion powder, peri seasoning and salt. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of yogurt. You'll also require peri peri sauce, so you can get whatever one suits your taste. We're going for hot. And you'll need 1 teaspoon of garlic paste as well as 2 tablespoons of oil. You'll also require 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add oil and lemon juice into a bowl. And then add everything else, so your peri peri sauce. And all the seasoning as well. So just sprinkle this in. Once all this has been added, we'll add in our garlic paste. We'll also add in yogurt as well. So now this has been added, we'll just give this a mix. And just like that, our marinade is ready. So this is the consistency you're looking for. Now you can add in your chicken tenders. So add in all of the chicken tenders now. Okay, now these have been added, we're just going to give them a mix. Just ensure they're all coated in the mixture. And just like that, our chicken is ready to be popped into the fridge. You can keep this in the fridge for about half an hour or even overnight, it's completely up to you. So we're just going to pop our chicken tenders into an oven dish now. So just place all your chicken in a dish. And here you can see all the chicken has been added into the dish now. So we're going to cook this now. We'll cook this on gas mark 4. I would advise you check this after 15 to 20 minutes and then give it more time if you need to. It all depends on your oven, so do check in between. And here you have it, our chicken is cooked now. So now we can place our chicken aside for now and we can start to make our bread. As you can see, the dough has doubled in size now. So this is an hour later. What we'll do now is we will literally grab our dough and we'll cut it into like 4 sections and then we'll start to roll it out. Just like that. So just roll it out into a flat circle. Once it's like that, we're just going to apply some butter on one side. So like that, across the way. Once it's been added, we'll just fold the bread. So just fold that like this. And once it's been folded over, we're just going to apply butter on that side as well. But just apply the butter. Just like that. Now sprinkle the cheese and the crisps over this. So just sprinkle the black sesame seeds now. Okay, so as you can see, our bread is ready to be popped into the oven. So we're just going to pop this in the oven on around gas mark 4. And we'll just allow it to cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, but you have to check this in between as all ovens are different. So just pop it in the oven and allow it to cook, and just like that, our delicious bread is ready. Look how amazing the bread has turned out. What we'll do now is we'll prepare our salad and our toppings. So we're going for lettuce, jalapenos and cheese. For the sauce we're using mayonnaise and sriracha sauce. So we'll just unfold our cooked bread and we'll start adding our ingredients in now, as you can see. So first we're going to go in with the sauce. Now we can add in our lettuce, as well as our jalapenos. So add as many as you like according to your taste. So add your chicken in now, and we'll just pop in our cheese slice as well. Things been added in. Our tascas are ready. Ready now, as you can see. Serve this with fries and enjoy. So this is like a delicious burger sort of dish. It's like a burger. The bread is quite unique and delicious, so do try this out. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.